everyone, I'm Jenny from O.S.B heat pump company. Today we would like to introduce our popular R32 mini pool heat pump water heater for you. Now you can see here is the mini pool heat pump, which is very tiny with only 19 kilograms. Green gas R32. Titanic heat exchanger in PVC shell. Corrosion resistance. Maximum hot water temperature up to 14 degrees. Waterproof controller. Mini design safe space, easy to move. Auto defrosting optional. This model is not only used for swimming pool, can also heat the fish tanks, children's pool, and so on. If you are interested in this model, welcome to contact us. We will give you suggestions as soon as possible.